In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add in-store pickup for Shopify. Whether you're running a small boutique or a large retail chain, offering in-store pickup is a fantastic way to enhance the customer experience and provide convenient options for your shoppers. Let's get started on setting it up step by step. First, head over to Shopify. This is where we'll begin our journey. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so by accessing your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which is the control center of your store. From here, we're going to delve into the specifics of setting up the in-store pickup option. Look towards the lower left corner of your screen, and you'll see the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a menu with various options that allow you to tweak and customize your store settings. From this menu, locate and select the Shipping and Delivery option. This is a crucial stage, as this section holds all the shipping preferences your store currently uses. Now under Local Pickup, you'll find a list of your store locations. Here, you need to find the specific location where you'd like to enable the pickup option. If you have multiple locations, you might need to click Show More to display all of them. Once you identify the correct location, click on Manage beside it, and this will direct you to the necessary setting page. Next, you'll want to select the option that says, "This location offers local pickup." By selecting this, you're essentially telling Shopify that customers can pick up their purchases from this location. It's a straightforward checkbox, but a critical one, as it activates the pickup feature for that specific store location. At this point, you have the option to customize the Information at Checkout section. This is where you can specify details like pickup instructions, timeframes, or any other particular requirements you need your customers to know before coming to pick up their orders. It's always a good idea to provide clear instructions to help streamline the pickup process, ensuring it's as smooth as possible for both staff and customers. Finally, and this is an important step, make sure to click Save. This will ensure all the changes you've made are applied correctly. After saving, your store is now set up to offer in-store pickup, giving your customers a flexible and convenient option that can significantly improve their shopping experience. And there you have it. You've successfully added in-store pickup to your Shopify shop. Remember, offering this option is not only convenient for customers, but it can also drive more foot traffic to your store. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional Shopify tips and tricks.